Hello guys, welcome back to Don't Memorize Math. So today we are discussing a specimen paper for examination from 2025. Okay, so it's a paper 4 and it's a calculator paper for extended students. So the first question is write down the integer values of x that satisfy the inequality minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 2. So we need some integer values which satisfy this inequality. So what do you mean by integers? So integers are the numbers 0, 1, 2, etc. And also you have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. Okay, so we need some of the integer values which satisfies this inequality. So you can see x must be greater than minus 2 and less than 2. Okay, so it must be greater than minus 2 and less than 2. But you can see an equal sign. So you can start from minus 2. Okay, so minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. Can we write 2? No, because we don't have an equal sign here. So it must be strictly less than 2. Okay, so strictly less than 2, so we cannot write 2. So the numbers are minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. Okay,